Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy mutual funds on Charles Schwab. First, you'll need to log into your Charles Schwab account, either online or using their mobile app. It's important to make sure your account has enough cash available to cover your desired investment. Once logged in, look for the Trade or Invest section to start your mutual fund purchase. Next, you'll want to find the right mutual fund for your goals. Charles Schwab offers a robust search bar and a mutual fund screener tool. You can filter funds by various criteria, such as the fund family, asset class, or even the expense ratio. Always take a moment to review the fund's details, including its historical performance and any minimum investment requirements, before proceeding. Once you've chosen a mutual fund, select it and click the Buy button. You'll then be prompted to enter the dollar amount you wish to invest. For instance, you might enter $1,000. It's crucial to carefully review all the order details on the confirmation screen. Double-check the fund name and the investment amount before you finalize and submit your transaction. After submitting your order, you'll receive an order confirmation. Please review this confirmation to ensure everything is accurate. Typically, your mutual fund shares will settle and appear in your account within 1 business day. From there, you can easily monitor the performance of your new investment directly within your Charles Schwab portfolio, helping you stay on top of your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.